Imagine buying your dream car only to find it brings more headaches than happiness. Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today, we're diving into the growing number of EV owners taking their frustrations to court. From disappointing range and charging failures to other issues, EVs have become a nightmare instead of a smooth, eco-friendly ride. Here are 8 notable examples of how EV owners are suing manufacturers and claiming that electric cars have made their lives hell. Number 8. Tesla's problematic software updates. About a year ago, Tesla Model S and Model X owners sued the company, alleging that automatic software updates damaged their batteries. The lawsuit claims these updates, which are applied without consent, cut driving range by 20%, forcing some to replace their batteries at a cost of $15,000. Tesla's updates, delivered over Wi-Fi, allegedly violated federal and state laws and worsened battery performance, with some owners needing third-party help to reverse the damage. The lawsuit accuses Tesla of breaching several laws, including the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, and failing to reimburse affected owners. Despite Tesla's claims of minor battery degradation in their 2022 impact report, real-world results suggest otherwise. Number 7. Overstated range claims by Tesla. When buying an EV, range is a crucial factor. Many EV makers, Tesla included, have been accused of exaggerating their model's range. After an EPA audit, Tesla was ordered to lower its range estimates. In South Korea, regulators fined Tesla after discovering that the cold weather range of its models was as low as half of what was advertised. Californian residents James Porter, Brian Perez, and Drew Ezraeli Estepanian filed a class action lawsuit against Tesla, alleging that the company's exaggerated range claims misled consumers. The lawsuit demands monetary damages and an injunction against Tesla's false advertising. They argue that if consumers knew the actual range, they might not have bought the vehicles or would have paid less for them. Number 6. Rivian R1T, delays and quality issues. Rivian, once seen as a major disruptor in the EV market, is now grappling with production delays and quality control problems with its R1T electric truck. Customers who pre-ordered the vehicle have faced months-long delays and scant communication from Rivian. Early recipients reported significant quality issues, including software glitches and build quality inconsistencies, leading to a surge in complaints and lawsuits. One prominent case involves a group of early adopters filing a class action lawsuit, citing financial and emotional distress caused by Rivian's delays and quality issues. They claim Rivian failed to meet its contractual obligations, delivering unsafe and unreliable vehicles. Rivian attributes the delays to supply chain constraints and scaling complexities, but customers feel the company's ambitious projections were unrealistic from the start. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Number 5. Chevy Bolt, fire hazards and recalls. Chevy Bolt owners have faced serious issues, including a high risk of the vehicle catching fire. Allegedly, GM knew about the battery defects but continued selling the vehicles. The company issued 3 recalls with unusual instructions: limit battery charge to 90%, never let the range drop below 70 miles, supervise charging sessions, and avoid parking near fire hazards. These restrictions significantly reduced the Bolt's range from the advertised 259 miles to just over 163 miles, frustrating owners. Eventually, GM reached a settlement offering $1,400 to owners who installed new software and $700 to those who sold or leased the Bolt. Despite this, the frustration and trust damage linger. Number 4. Hyundai's charging troubles. EV owners across various brands are frustrated, particularly with issues like home charging. Hyundai faces a class action lawsuit over defective plug ports causing overheating during Level 2 charging, leading to prolonged or failed charges. Although Hyundai claims a full charge should take 5 to 7 hours, plugs often overheat within 30 minutes. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has numerous complaints, including frequent charging failures reported every 2 to 3 minutes. Hyundai's software patch to address this still results in 10-hour charging times. The lawsuit highlights the severe disruptions and potential emergencies caused by uncharged batteries, accusing Hyundai of selling vehicles that don't perform as promised. Number 3. Volkswagen ID.4 battery failures. Volkswagen, once a leader in the EV market, is now facing backlash over battery issues in its ID.4 model. Owners report that the battery fails to hold a charge, often leaving them stranded. The problem lies in the battery management system, BMS, which misreads the state of charge, causing abrupt power losses. This issue has led to a class action lawsuit in the US, accusing Volkswagen of knowingly selling defective vehicles and failing to provide adequate solutions. Attempts to fix the problem with software updates have often worsened the situation, resulting in false charging indications and more frequent power losses. This has significantly damaged Volkswagen's reputation, with many customers regretting their purchases. Number 2. Ford's controversial dealer certification program. Ford's electrification push has frustrated dealers. Initially, 2/3 of dealers joined Ford's certification program to sell EVs, which required significant investments in fast chargers and other upgrades. However, as EV adoption slowed, dealers grew frustrated with fixed pricing mandates. This led to complaints from Arkansas dealers, protests by 27 Illinois dealers, and a lawsuit from Ford dealers in New York, arguing the program imposed unlawful franchise modifications and unfair pricing. Dealers claimed they should have the right to sell all Ford vehicles, including EVs, without such constraints. Ford eventually ended the certification program, allowing all dealers to sell EVs without specific requirements. Number 1. Misleading self-driving promises by Tesla. Tesla has long promised self-driving technology, but many owners feel misled. Since 2016, Tesla has advertised its autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, claiming that fully autonomous driving was just around the corner. However, this has yet to materialize. U.S. District Judge Rita Lynn allowed owners to pursue fraud-based claims, noting that many purchased their vehicles based on Tesla's representations. One case involved a retired lawyer from California who paid an $8,000 premium for full self-driving capabilities, only to find that the technology was not delivered as promised. The lawsuit seeks unspecified damages for buyers who purchased or leased Tesla models with autopilot, enhanced autopilot, and full self-driving features since 2016. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Piston Pundit for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next vehicle updates and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.